And typically where we first start is actually parsing a file. Parsing the file allows us to determine what are the variables and values for each of those variables. Those values will become target specific design parameters so that we can create a design execution for that target platform. And the parsing process will go through your Python script, identify any variables, the values for those, and then any replacement names that are associated with each of those variables. The values are actually stored in a CMDB-like persistent storage mechanism that can be used later when selecting the information for a targeted design execution. So once I've finished my parse, I can go through and actually start the merge process. And the left-hand side of this screen is your original file, and the right hand is the replacement merge components. And one of the things I just noticed is that I'm actually skipping my access key and secret access key, and I really do want to be able to enter those during design execution. So I'm going to return to modify and say, I want you to skip the session component, but I want you to get all the individual fields within that object. So if we go through the merge process, sure enough, I am now doing the merge component for those. So I can save that script. We're going to save it into the same AWS create folder in my parsed directory. And sure enough, if I go over to my parsed directory, I will now see that I have my DNS component is now in there.